Welcome to this FX Empire review of Markets.com, a broker that was founded in 2008 and was rebranded in 2019 to MarketX. The broker is part of the TradeTech Group, which is a constituent of Playtech PLC, a FTSE 250 company listed on the London Stock Exchange. The Markets.com group offers regulation all around the world via different subsidiaries of the company. So here, for example, we have Markets.com operated by SafeCap Investments Limited, which is regulated by the Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission. We also have here Markets.com operated by TradeTech Alpha Limited, which is regulated by the UK Financial Conduct Authority. The broker also holds regulations in the BVI Financial Services Commission, as well as the Australian Securities and Investments Commission and the Financial Sector Conduct Authority of South Africa. The CySEC regulation can be confirmed on the regulator's register, where we have SafeCap Investments Limited and we have Markets.com as an approved domain name. With a MarketsX CFD trading account, users can trade commission-free on a wide variety of different instruments covering different types of asset classes such as currencies, shares, indices, commodities, cryptos, bonds, ETFs, and unique index blends. The broker also provides a full CFD instrument list which details various information regarding spreads as well as leverage. So as we can see here under currencies, we can see the spreads here, for example, pound yen 3.6 pips, dollar yen 3 pips, and leverage information here as well. And you can actually see the variety of different markets. So we have major currencies, minor currencies here as well, exotic currencies as well. So a large variety of different exotic currencies, which is quite unique. Trading against the Brazilian real, for example, the Turkish lira, Russian ruble. And if we scroll further down, we've got access to indices, commodities, bonds, shares, ETFs, and unique index blends such as the Dogs of the Dow blend, Crypto blend, Buffet blend, Cannabis blend, and many more. And we'll be looking at these markets in a little bit more detail when we run through the MarketsX trading platform. The MarketsX trading platform is the broker's own proprietary-based, feature-rich, multi-asset class trading platform. And we'll be running through that a little bit later on as we develop through this video review. And we'll have a look at the comprehensive range of fundamental, technical, and sentiment-based trading tools they provide. The broker also provides access to MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, as well as different mobile trading apps, as we're going to cover throughout the video review. Some of the tools that are available in the MarketsX trading platform include tools such as Bloggers Opinions, which is a sentiment indicator, hedge fund investment confidence, another sentiment indicator as well, which uses data directly from the Securities and Exchange Commission to monitor the stocks hedge funds are buying and selling to indicate sentiment. And as you scroll down, we've got insider trades, we've got trading analyst recommendation, trends in trading, Acuity news alerts, news trading sentiment, signals, related instruments, advanced charting, and many more features that we'll go on to look at in the trading platform. The broker also provides access to Marketsi, which is an account for individual share dealing. And if we scroll down as well, users can invest into stocks and shares from thousands of different companies listed around the globe, and can enjoy 3-month free commissions on those different investments. Otherwise, here are the costs for trading beyond that 3 months free commission period. The broker also provides access to customer support 24 hours a day, 5 days a week, and this is via dedicated phone support or dedicated live chat. So just open up the live chat feature, and we were connected to an agent within just a few seconds actually, who has been very responsive and answered our question really within about 10 or 15 seconds. And there's also an online query form here as well. Okay, so let's jump over and have a look at the feature-rich MarketsX trading platform provided by the broker. So here we have the MarketsX trading platform, which is browser-based. As we can see here, really simple, nice functionality with charts here on the right-hand side. And with the chart layout, we've got access to different time frames, minute charts, 5-minute charts, 15-minute charts, hourly charts, all the way up to monthly charts. And we can also see here we've got access to different chart constructs, bars, candles, Heikin-Ashi, Renko, line and break, point and figure as well. And we can also access a wide variety of different indicators as well. So a wide variety of different indicators available to use here. And on the left hand side, lots of different drawing tools. So we've got trend lines, horizontal lines, vertical lines. There are Fibonacci tools here as well, Gann tools, as well as graphical objects as well. So, a wide variety of different tools and drawing tools for traders to actually use and perform technical analysis on. And it's quite easy to navigate the chart as well, just left and right. And there's also a lot of extra information here. So right now we're in euro against the US dollar, and we can click on key statistics, and this provides key statistics for the individual market you are looking at, and it provides analysis and opinions. For example, here the trader's trend, and this is basically a signal which shows you how the active traders are trading. Okay, and we can also see news sentiment as well, the time to the next economic events and the upcoming economic events as well. And we have trading conditions at the bottom as well, swap fees, so the overnight interest to buy or sell, and also the leverage amount and the trading hours for that market. So lots of really useful information. And there's also more tabs here. So you've got the events tab, you've got a profile, which gives you a bit of background behind the asset you're trading. There's also a currency converter here as well. You've got the insights tab here as well, and you can have a look at different news alerts and sentiment here. Related instruments as well, and any open positions or orders you may have. So really useful information there. And on the left hand side, you can actually see all the different markets that are available to trade with. So you can actually see we have indices, and if we click on indices, that has now opened, and you can see the list of different indices, the German 30 for example. And we have a list of currencies here on the left hand side, of commodities, cryptos, shares. So just a wide variety of different markets. You've got primary markets, you've got global markets here as well. So you can see all the different countries available to trade with: USA, UK, Germany, France, Spain, Italy, Austria, Netherlands, Hong Kong, Australia, South Africa. So a wide variety of different shares available. And you can also search via sectors as well: technology, financials, healthcare, and so on. And they also have grey markets as well. So wide variety of different asset classes to actually trade from. Going back to currencies, for example, you've got majors, minors, and exotics. And you can simply just click on a currency and it will open up in the chart. If you go to shares, for example, click on this first one, Alphabet, you'll see the key statistics will change. And there will be actually some more information, because there's more information available when trading shares. So, for example, you have the latest research here from Thomson Reuters on the top right-hand side. You have, volume information, market cap, the latest earnings per share. You've got not only traders trend, but you've got analyst ratings as well. You've got hedge funds activity, insider activity, and news sentiment. So, lots of different features there to perform technical analysis. And you can click on this one here, for example, under insights, and you can see here what the sentiment is. So, really useful information. And you can look at news sentiment here as well, and you can look at all the different news announcements. Analyst recommendations here as well. So recommendations here from Goldman Sachs, Merrill Lynch, and so on. So really useful information when you get to trading shares and perhaps doing a little bit more research. And then you also have access to blends here as well. So these are the different index blends: the cannabis blend, the buffet blend, Bill Ackman blend, Brexit winners, Brexit losers blend. So it's quite useful information there. At the bottom, you also have access to signals, events, financial news, and financial commentary. Okay, financial news provided by Dow Jones. Okay, and we also have access to the X-ray feed here at the bottom, which is basically a live webinar. So this one here, supply and demand approach to trading, and this is a live webinar that users can actually log into and watch. If we go back to the currency market here, for example, euro against the US dollar. Pretty simple to be able to trade from the chart as well. You've got buy and sell buttons here at the top. You can enter the amount, or you've got it here on the left hand side. So we can click on buy. That will open up a trading ticket, and you can enter the amount that you're trading. Okay, so 10,000 units, for example, and you've got access to buy or sell. You can also put in a stop loss and a take profit level, and you can adjust it via pips, a monetary value, or a percentage amount. So that's quite useful as well. So you can have a percentage amount, for example, 2%. So quite useful market orders. You have limit orders, you have stop orders here as well. There's also a margin calculator here. So really useful, and you can see that has now gone through into the market, and you can actually see the trade on the chart, and then you can actually start to move levels here from the chart as well. So really good trading from the chart functionality. Okay, so let's have a look at the mobile trading app. So here we have the MarketX mobile trading app provided by Markets.com. On the left hand side, we've got access to different markets. You can search by market at the top, or you can click on trending now and have a look at the top movers in the market right now, such as Aston Martin, Cineworld, and lots of different stocks here at the top. If we go back, you can also look at different markets via indices, currencies, commodities, cryptos, shares, ETFs, blends, bonds, and grey markets as well. If we click on currencies, for example, you can look at the major markets. And we've got a list of the different major currencies here that you can actually scroll through. If we go back to the home page, we can actually see a list of popular markets here already on the home screen. And these are variations of different indices, different commodities, different shares, and different currency pairs as well. As we can see here, we've got favorites and we've got open positions. And if we go back to where it says popular, for example, we can click on pound against the US dollar, and you can actually see a chart does pop up at the bottom. And if you turn your phone sideways, this opens up features to change the different time frame from monthly charts to 1 minute charts. So we can click on a 1 hour chart here, for example. We can also change the view from line charts, candle charts, or bar charts. And we can also trade from here as well by clicking the buy or sell button at the top. You can also click the arrow icon here on the right hand side where it says pound USD, and if we click on this, this gives us a bit more information, such as the trader's trend here. Okay, we have a chart at the bottom, we have details of this market as well, and any positions and orders. So right now there's no positions or orders here. So to buy or sell, we can simply just click on any sell or buy, and this will open up a trading ticket. You can choose the amount that you're looking to trade in, and it will tell you obviously your margin requirements here as well. You can put stop losses and take profits into your trade as well. Okay, and you can also put a take profit in there, and there's also advanced entry limits and entry stops. All right, so once you put all that information in, you can press confirm, and then that will open up a actual trade, and then you can actually see your open positions here in this tab. And you'll be able to see here 2 open positions right now, euro dollar, pound dollar, and we can simply close that by clicking on the close actual icon. So really simple to use. Okay, nice clean functionality here on the MarketsX mobile trading app. And that really wraps up this review of Markets.com. We hope you found it to be of value, and we wish you all the best in your trading.